friends, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a little shopping haul. We're in my gym room because I just left the tripod sitting here. We're gonna do a Walmart and a Shein haul. It's Sunday, just got home from work, and here is my impulsive Walmart shopping. I went for coconut milk, cereal containers, and ramen, and I left with a lot more than that, let's just say. Starting off, this adorable little planter. I'm putting it in my bathroom. Our upstairs has 2 bathrooms, and so I use like the master and Dan just uses the other one. So I got this little succulent looking thing to put in there. Cute. If you want any of the links, I will try to have it on my like to know it. Otherwise, you can ask down below too, and I will happily find the link for you. I got a beautiful bag of dirt for that plant, and also I have another plant that could use some more dirt. Snack-wise, I like to do like one kind of cracker and one kind of cookie a week, and then I just divide it into little containers. So this week's is extra cheesy Cheez-Its, a little plant thing for it to sit on, even though it'll be sitting on my bathroom counter. We don't want leakage. This is just the water I was drinking today. This is the Circle. I have the strawberry dream flavor in there. I'm actually not the biggest fan of it. I'll finish it, but I wouldn't repurchase. And yeah, it's really small. I'm pretty sure it's meant for toddlers, but it's great because it fits in my Walmart pocket. 2 cereal containers. I have one here, but I'm gonna take that to school and repurpose it. And so then I got nicer ones for my house. It seems like that's the status quo these days, is I buy nicer things for my house and then I just bring the old one to school because I have a purpose in mind for it. I'm kind of on a ramen kick, and I've been putting egg in my ramen too, which I didn't know was a thing until I saw it on Instagram reel, and now I get it. Like, I get the hype. So I got this kind of ramen to try, and then I got this kind. I got a couple of those too, but I'll just show you the one. I was looking for coconut milk to add to a type of juice that I have at school. It's kind of like a Starbucks refresher dupe. They didn't have the kind that actually comes in the refrigerated section, so I had to get the non-refrigerated section, and I don't know enough about coconut milk to even tell you if that's good or bad. And they also had the vanilla kind and the unsweetened kind, so I got vanilla to try, so we'll see if I like that or not. It's January 26th. We just got done with like -30 Fahrenheit temperatures around here. So the last thing on people's minds is planting, but you know, retail, everybody's a season ahead. So I got these 4 packs of marigolds. Of all the plants that I was growing this summer, the marigolds were the easiest to plant. They lived the longest, and they bloomed pretty much the entire summer. A lot of the plants that I ended up planting, they bloomed and were pretty for like 2 weeks, and then it was just like the plain old green leaves that looked like a weed. So I'm gonna do a lot of marigolds this year because I really liked them last year, so I got 4 different kinds to try. There's another kind of flower too that I liked over by my drain pipe, and I couldn't find the seeds for that. I think the name was like portcullis or something, but anyways, I took a note of what it was so I could find it again later. So I might have to order that on Amazon or go to an actual garden store and not the Walmart aisle. I got these little shorts. We have them in the pants too, and it took me a while today while I was folding the table actually to realize why I like the shorts so much more than the pants, because the shorts have like a kind of a lavenderish, minty-ish color background, but the pants, it's like a light pink. So I mean, this one is just so much cuter, the pajama shorts. I got some little gummies. I really like the combination of the sweet and the sour. A pack of Snickers. I like to put these in my coffee and make like a turtle mocha-esque at home. Not as good as the Caribou Turtle Mocha, but it's pretty good. And then these are the new items from Wet n Wild. So new makeup drops in January, and I saw the fixtures for these, and I was waiting for it to get filled. This is an eyeshadow foil. That looks wonderful. And this is a chrome lip foil. It's a really glittery pink, very Glinda Valentine's Day. Yes, I love hard candy because it's so affordable. So this entire pile that I just showed you was $100, but I got $9 on a discount, so I basically spent $95. Taxes. Oh, taxes. Wisconsin's a taxable state. Anywho, that's Walmart. Shein. This entire order started because I have a student who, after recess, she can slip her shoes on using the bench that's by her locker, but she can't zip them. And she will happily sit there for 20 minutes until somebody comes by and will zip her shoes. Now, she's not gonna ask anybody. She'll just sit there. This just seems to be the time that I'm always changing a diaper somewhere. Anyways, I saw these shoes on there. She likes cats. I'm hoping she'll be able to just slip them on. And then she can use her nicer shoes for like gym, outdoor recess, that sort of thing. Hopefully she'll go from boots and she can just slip these on. And if she really didn't want them, she could walk down to the classroom in her boots. She could walk down to the classroom in her socks. She just doesn't want to. And she can't reach the zipper part on her shoe to zip them all the way up herself. I'm sure she could shuffle down to the classroom with them half zip too, but she just chooses not to. So we'll try these. I think I paid like $5 and that is worth it for my sanity. And then very Monica-esque, if I buy a pair of shoes for somebody else, I better buy a pair of shoes for myself. So these are like an UGG Tasman dupe. So just for funsies, I have the actual UGG Tasman. So here's the fake, like, unfortunately, this is the biggest that they have, and this already was kind of tight on me, so I'm thinking it's not gonna be very comfortable. This is a 10 and this is an 11, but I understand that I have large, massive feet. It's a bummer. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I got some little heart bracelets. I also got these to try to clip it on to my student's shoe to see if she can pull the zipper up using this little clip, like so she can grab the bear. I'm afraid that it's gonna break really easily, but I mean, I'm up for trying anything. A couple dollars here, a couple dollars there, and that's where my paycheck goes. I got this little hair bow in red hearts. I also got this pink one with pearls on it. And then I got a pink glittery one. You can tell I was in a Valentine's Day mood. This is a little headband that has bows on it. And this is a little headband that has hearts on it. And that's my haul, friends. If you want any links, find them down below. Find it on my Like to Know It or ask me. I'm always available. Thanks for watching, guys.